So like this, you can do the other sums also. See, I'll just tell you orally. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So what will be the AP there? 8 multiples of 8. 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Multiples of 8, but they want the sum of 15 multiples of 8. So 15 into 8. 15th term. Sorry. 8, it's not 15 into 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. 15th term, up to 15th term, you have to find, and then you have to find the sum of it, they are telling. So sum of first 15 means n is equal to 15 there. A is equal to 8. And D is equal to 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8. Oh, so very nice. Now you know A, you know N, you know D. So you can easily find yes 15. You can easily find. Orally I just told you. I am not going to do it. 14th sum. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So what it will be? Which are the odd numbers? 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 dash 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 dash. See, between 0 and 50. 50 you can't take because it is not an odd number. So the odd number between means the last odd number will be 49 there. Okay children, I hope you are understanding. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 dash 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 49. You have to find the sum here. Here you see, very easy. A is equal to 1 you have got. D is equal to nothing but 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then what is this 49? It is our L or AN. So it is equal to 49. You have done such problems. You know A, you know D. AN is equal to 49. So you can get here the sum, what they have asked. AN you have got, no? So which this one you can do? Of course, you know the last term also, L is equal to. So just think over, you know the last term, you know the first term. In that case, suppose you can use here the first formula also, second formula also. Any formula you can use here. So AN is equal to 49 means you find N here. What is N you find? By putting A and D in that AN formula, you will get N. After you get N, you know A, you know D, you know N. So you can find the sum to how many numbers, that I don't know now, I don't remember. So N is equal to what you get now here, sum of those that much even number, odd numbers, you will get the sum. So that's over. Okay. Next is, so actually you see 1 plus 3 plus 5, there is a short MCQ here, they will ask, you will get here odd numbers means Sn will be equal to, simple formula is there, n squared. I will write here, just I have written at the side, Sn is equal to n squared, I will write. Suppose they may say find the sum of 15 odd numbers. 15 odd numbers, if they say find the sum of the first 15 odd numbers, you have to just do this, 15 the whole square equal to 225. But of course this is not that sum. This is you can't directly use that formula and do and all. You have to use as usual. Other formula which you did for other problems, you have to do like that only. Okay. So now next 15th, 16th, 17th, I had told you 18th you don't do, I said. 18th and 20th you just leave it, and other all these sums till this one you have to complete. And also once I have told you exercise 1.4, the first and the second you have to do. I think by this time you can do all the sums now. All the sums you can do, it's quite easy, the other sums now. Till now what I did, with that knowledge you can do other sums and all very easily. Now 15th sum, see 200 for the first day. You read the sum, you'll come to know. For delay of completion, for the first day 200 rupees fine he will charge. Then second day also, if he has not completed, if you read the sum, you'll come to know what I'm telling. 250 rupees he will charge, then 300 rupees he will charge. So like this, he will go on increasing his fine by 50 rupees. So if he, that means the meaning is D is equal to 50, A is equal to 200. Okay, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? So our daily life problem this is actually, and by 30 days if he delays, he has to pay fine for 30 days. How much he has to pay, you have to calculate, and that is n is equal to 30. You have to take, you know A, you know D, find the sum, that is the meaning there. Total, find the amount he has to pay, they are asking, no? So it is SN. Okay, children? So then like this only, 17th, 16th, 17th, very simple sums they are, and 16th, 17th. So almost all I have just explained, and 19th you can easily understand that. And please, sister has told you have to submit all the notes on 20th. So even maths you have to submit. So all up to 1.3 exercise, all the sums, and finally 1.42 sums I told you, and write the summary lastly. What summary is given there, you have to write the summary and finish and give the book on 20th. We'll be correcting it. Okay. After that, we'll be giving you a test in maths. So one chapter I have completed, I will say, because everything now it is depending on you. You have to do it. Okay, children. So I am going to stop this, and please submit the books, very neatly done, on 20th. You have to submit. So I am going to stop now.